Hey there, data enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common SQL challenge, finding products that are both low-fat and recyclable. Let's get started. You have a table named products with 3 columns, product_ID, low_fats, and recyclable. The product_ID column is the primary key, ensuring each product has a unique identifier. The low_fats and recyclable columns are both enum types, containing values Y or N. Y indicates the product is low-fat or recyclable, respectively. Our task is to find the IDs of products that are both low-fat and recyclable. To solve this, we need to write in SQL query that selects products where both low_fats and recyclable are Y. Here's the query you need. Select product ID from products, where low fats equals Y and recyclable equals Y. This query will return the following result. Products with IDs 1 and 3 are both low-fat and recyclable. And that's it. You've successfully written an SQL query to find products that are both low-fat and recyclable. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more SQL tips and tricks. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.